If you want to pay with your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, the first thing that you need to do is you need to know where NFC is located. NFC is used to make contactless payments, and it has to be enabled whenever you want to pay with your phone. So you can just go to Settings and Open Connections, and then here, as you can see, we have the NFC and contactless payments. This option doesn't have to be enabled all the time, but like I said, it must be enabled whenever you want to make the payment at a given moment. We can also go to this option in order to change the default wallet app. Now, by default, we have the Samsung wallet selected, and I personally prefer to use the Google wallet, so I'm gonna switch to that, and I'm gonna show you how to set up our phone so that we can actually pay with the help of the Google wallet instead. But I'm pretty sure you should be able to set it up with the Samsung wallet as well. If you're looking for a Samsung wallet, then you should be able to find it somewhere on your phone, probably somewhere over here. There we go. Here we have the Samsung wallet. So, in the case of Google Wallet, it is possible that you will not have it pre-installed, and I believe I do not have it. So we can just go to the Play Store, and we can just easily search for Wallet or Google Wallet. There we go, and I'm just gonna install it. It's very simple, and it's of course free. So now let's wait for the app to be downloaded and installed, and once it is ready, of course, we want to open it. Over here, I'm gonna grant the access to notifications. Over here, you might immediately see a card that you may have used previously, so you can set it up straight away. If not, you will have just the option to add a card, or you can just tap on this plus button at the bottom, and then here we have payment card option, and most likely you will open the camera where you can scan details off of your card. Now, there is also an option that allows you to just place your card right next to the back of your phone, so here on this side, so that the NFC can read the details off of your card, and then you just have to add the security number, and then you should be able to easily continue. You can also enter details manually in case that's what you need. And of course, once you add your card, then you should be able to use it with your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now, as I mentioned, of course, about NFC, it has to be enabled whenever you want to pay at a given moment. You can also add the NFC button to the to quick settings over here by using this pen. And then at the bottom, we can choose Add a Control. And then here in Connections, you should be able to find NFC. So be sure to add it if you wish to have a quick access to NFC like that. And if you add just one card, then, of course, in addition to that, you have to unlock your phone if you want to pay with your phone. So make sure to unlock it. And like I said, if you have just one card, then you don't have to open the wallet app. You can just place your phone on the terminal and it's going to work. If you have two cards or more, and if you want to choose the card that is not the default one, and then you will have to go to the wallet app, you will have to open it, and then you will have to choose whichever card you want to actually use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, actually, there's one more thing. In some cases, keep in mind that banks may require you to go through additional verification whenever you add a payment card to any wallet app on your phone. So you might not be able to use your phone yet until the verification is done. Usually it is done within the 24 hours. And now that is everything. Leave a like and subscribe.